Hey Norma, this is Nick with Generational Leads. I know you spoke with Viola the other day on the phone about her sending you over a quick video of your website and stuff like that. So this is it. I just want to dive right into it, make it quick, simple, and short for you, and kind of explain a few things. So we're going to dive in. We're going to talk about keywords, backlinks, and citations. Okay, those three things are pretty important. So as you can see here, we're on your website. Just want to take a look and see where we're at here. It's a clean website, super simple. However, there's just not enough content, okay? And there's not enough content, which means you need more words on the home page alone. Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, and then when you go into your service pages, that's where you want to have about 1,200 to 1,500 words, depending on what keyword you're searching for, okay, and what keyword you're trying to rank for. So to give you an example, this home page is kind of like a summary of everything you offer, and then within those offers or those services you provide, there's going to be like a link that takes you to a back page that explains everything about that one service. So to kind of give you more of a better idea, if we hop over here and we scroll through, right, we can see that these guys don't have that much content either. However, what they do is about these service pages, this is a pretty big company, right? So these service pages here, this is where they load their keywords, and this is where they put their content as well. But for someone like you, we definitely want to make sure the homepage has some content as well. So if we hop over here and we kind of check these stats out in a tool, this is Ahrefs. Basically, it's a huge analytic tool. Okay, so it kind of breaks down everything that your competitor is doing and how you can beat them. So we're going to hop over here into keywords just to kind of give you an idea of what I mean. So when we target these keywords, we want to organize them on the website as so to where they're specifically organized into certain topics itself. So we might have an Alpharetta one, we might have a let's say maybe just Grayson or Lawrenceville or something like that, right? Just to give you an idea. But if you look at these, keywords here, so roofing, Alpharetta, Georgia, okay? Every single month there's 250 people searching this keyword alone, which means they're searching for the service. They're searching for someone to come fix the roof or do a roof job, but they just don't know who to go with, so they're looking for the best person. And the most trust you get is being, high in Google to where people see that and you're an established company. So how to do that is you have to target these keywords like this and put them on your website as so that they pop up in a chronological order in a way, or an organized order, to where now when people search this keyword, roofing Alpharetta, Georgia, you have a page on your website that talks about roofing in Alpharetta, Georgia, right? And that's where you put backlinks on that thing. So then when people search that in Google, that's what pops up. And that's with not just this one keyword, right? We want to put like maybe 5 or 6 keywords on that page, then you'll have another page, and then all these numbers add up, right? So they're like Legos. You kind of stack them, but you got to make sure you stack them in the correct way. So that's kind of the importance of keywords. Now, once we get those keywords on the website, where do we go from there? How do we get the website seen, right? Well, that comes into here with backlinks and referring domains. This is the popularity contest. So the popularity contest is basically saying how many websites, referring domains, can I get to link or backlink to my page or my website? So clearly, the more you get, the more popular you are. The more popular you are, the more authority and credibility you have. And the more authority and credibility you have, the higher you rank. That's kind of the name of the game for the algorithm, okay? So the caveat is they're not all created equally, meaning backlinks. And what I mean by that is a lot of people, you can just go out there and get any backlinks you want all day, every day. But you got to make sure they're quality backlinks. So as important as the quantity is, you got to make sure the quality follows. You got to make sure you're getting in your niche, your industry, and what's relevant to you, as well as getting a high number of them, okay? So one way you guys could do it, it's kind of where the SEO comes in, but you could dive right into what your competitors are doing and go copycat method them. Go get all the links that they have, and etc. And you don't want to stop there, right? You want to keep going so we dominate the area and the industry. The last thing I want to talk about real quick, I'll show you your stats here. So these is where you guys are sitting at here. Obviously, we have some work to do. We just got to really get these referring domains and backlinks rolling. See what links, keywords you guys are doing. Yeah, so you guys have a couple good keywords that you're targeting, but you just got to make sure how the website design is and how the backlinks are linking to those. That's the important part, and you really got to put that SEO work in to start seeing that traffic number, because these guys are bringing in, I think, almost 100 people every single month to their website with what they're doing. The last thing I want to talk about real quick was citations. So if we hop over here and I type in that #1 keyword for you guys, this is kind of what Google lays out. You have your ads, you have your Google Map Pack here, or GMB, and then you have your organic search here. Now, the only way you're going to end up in this top 3 position here in the Google Map Pack is if you are ranking down in the organic section on the first page. Now, what are these right here? These are citations as well. So what a citation is literally a business directory with your business name, number, and address on a directory such as Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, BBB, etc. And what that does is it builds trust. So when you have your keywords, your backlinks, and your citations all lined up, the traffic is going to start coming in. It takes a little bit of time, but it's really important to make sure you get that and have that organic power behind you. So that's what I want to drop off with you today. I know that's a lot of information, so feel free to reach out to Viola, and she'd love to help you out. Thanks.